All right, we getting ready to do a roof cleaning here. You can see what we're doing right now. We watering down the plants real good. Then what we do is go up here and put a mix on top of this roof, and it gets rid of these black streaks up here. Right, you can see it kind of those dark spots. So when we come back at the end, you'll be able to see that those black spots are no longer there. And those black spots are bad for the roof. They kind of weaken the roof over time. So it's important that you get those off. Getting started. All right, this is an after shot of this roof. The solution that we put up drying up, like over the course of the next few days, is gonna look even better than what it does now. That shine, that little shimmer that's up there will come off, and everything gonna look real smooth, consistent, and you'll have your new roof. All right, but this is a glimpse of it. It was way darker than this before. Had streaks on it. You can see those streaks ain't there no more. We just got a little nice shimmer going on in some places, and that'll be gone within the next few days, and it'll be all new. Hey guys, Jimmy Jackson here. Thanks for watching my roof cleaning video. We've been trying to do more of these roof cleanings and been successful at it, as time is going on. One thing about it is, people know that they're supposed to clean their house, they're supposed to pressure wash their house. They know they're supposed to pressure wash their driveway, their deck, but they don't think about their roofs. And, it's just one of those things that, people didn't think that their roof could be clean, but they got these black streaks on it. How'd they get there? And it's important that you do that because you're not going to get your money's worth out of your roof if you don't. Because over time, that roof mold is going to weaken your roof, and just not going. It's not going to stretch as far as what you want it to, right? So a roof cleaning is usually going to get you an extra, 3 to 5 years. And, most pressure washing companies will warranty that roof for you. And they're usually somewhere between 3 and 5 years as well. So, if you can, make sure you're cleaning it, guys. Make sure you're getting your roof clean. It's very important. Make sure that you are hiring a professional company to do it. Do not let somebody get up there and blast it with a pressure washer. Just somebody that knows what they're doing. Now, different companies can go about things, different ways. As far as, their cleaning process, what chemicals they're using, and, some companies like to rinse after, and some companies don't. We don't rinse after, and we have a reason for that. We like to let things sit, and we think that it's less damage over time. Letting that chemical run off over time, and not letting it all just drop down at once. So we like to let it sit, and it cleans longer as well. And so we want you guys to have great results, and we just want to do good work. All right. So anyway, I'm located in Southeast Missouri. My name's Jimmy Jackson. If you guys are ever in need, anybody watching this is in need of any kind of pressure washing services, we clean it all: houses, roofs, houses, roofs, decks, all kinds of stuff. If you're ever in need of any services, give me a call or text 573-340-5401. Peace.